Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your computer class. For today, your first chapter is Information and Communication Technology. Okay, so we will be discussing about this chapter. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see um, in Information and Communication Technology is the chapter name, and I'm going to explain you this page for classwork. Okay, so topic to discuss. What we are going to discuss here today is concept of information and communication technology. Okay, second thing is information technology, e-commerce. E-commerce is e-shopping. Okay, like you order something from Myntra or Flipkart, that is e-commerce. Scope of information technology, that is future of information technology. Next, online information services. Okay, online information services. E-governance, that is when government does its work through electronic means. Okay, and e-learning, like the way we are communicating or you study from apps, that is e-learning. Okay, so let's get started. Information and communication technology refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunication. Okay, so here we communicate through telecommunication. Okay, not not through those older means of communication, but from the telecommunication means. Okay, like the term information technology is not a new one since its existence is as old as earliest human society. However, its meaning, character, techniques keep on changing from time to time depending upon the needs and purposes. So, information technology is not a new term, okay? It has always been there, but its meaning has been changed throughout the years, okay? In traditional businesses and normal day to day working, information is conveyed by smartphones or other wired technologies, okay? So, to share our information, what we use smartphones, okay, and other wired technologies. Wired technologies are like your television or radio or your telephone. Okay, modern information and communication technologies have connected people all over the world at all times through various means. You are aware about this. Okay, a further development emerged in the form of cellular phone that uses wireless transmission. Okay, so cellular phones came into existence, but the recent advancement in digital technology have completely changed the scenario of modern information system. Okay, so the recent but nowadays it has totally changed. Okay, in earlier times also, like these the information was shared, but nowadays the information is shared in totally unique ways. Okay, so next is besides email, fax, cable access, TV, network, etc., the use of satellites, phones, wireless internet, and other invention have made an effective presence in information transmission applications such as broadband services, video conferencing. So we are going to study about these terms in this for classes further. Okay, so you don't have to worry about them. You might be aware about video conferencing. Okay, where we um, where we communicate in the form of video. Okay, e-commerce, e-learning, etc. Also, any form of information from all over the world is gathered, stored, shared, and distributed with the help of information and communication technology. Okay, so the term information and communication technology was first coined by Dennis Stevenson in 1997. So, what is coined means? Coined means the terms which come for the first time. Okay, that is, this term wasn't used before this. Okay, this was the first time the information and communication technology term came into existence, and this was coined by whom? Dennis Stevenson, and in which year? In 1997. Okay, for e business to flourish, not only a means of communication is needed, but a vividity in its style is also essential. Okay, so e business, like um, what is e business? Okay, whenever you do business in the form of through the electronic means. So, what happens if you just communicate only in one sense? Okay, like if you want to like if you go to Mintra, okay, and you want to purchase some clothes, so if you get, that is also a business. Okay, it is the that business is in the form of electronic, so that is e-business. Now if you get always the same kind of clothes, then you will get bored out of it, so you wouldn't want to go to that site anymore. Okay, so that is that has been written, that but vividity in its style. Okay, that is, it should always vary. Okay, it should change from time to time. The vividity is achieved by use of office automation technologies, with whose applications it is now possible to have telelinks such as voice mailing, audio, video, computer conferencing, etc. Okay, the ways of e-business and information awareness has transformed through computer information system. Okay, research, development, education, and activities and other fields has been made easy and quickly manageable by information technology. Okay, through information technology, these things have also become easy. Remote sensing. Okay, remote sensing information system due to what is remote sensing means when we want to communicate to far away places. Okay, like if I want to communicate from my home to a far away place, like to another country, or to to a village, okay, where there is no other means of communication, but people are not able to go to any other place for studying, okay, for an instance, then okay, so remote sensing is when we want to make our voice reach to that part of the section or that part of the society where this hasn't been reached yet. Okay, information system due to satellite picturization has enabled later analysis of wider areas. Okay, so this chapter we will continue in our second next class. So what is your homework for today? Your homework for today is, what do you mean by ICT? Okay, and you all might have your books, so what you have to do is do activity time from your book in page number 7. And if you have any problem, then you can also inform me in the comment section down below. I will provide you with the image, okay, of your this 7 page number. Okay, so that's all for this class. Thank you and have a nice day.